did they tell you anything when you were using
No,
Hindi
ma'am.
in between English? No, na?
No, ma'am. No,
Nobody
no.
tells anything, but we think like
Uh,
people will say something about it.
so,
And you are trying to do so many things in order to get fluency, and very soon you are going to achieve that. That's really great. There are so many learners, they should learn from you that what they should do in order to speak English fluently.
I'm a beginner. If you are any mistake, please correct them. So after
Okay.
that,
Yeah, that's a good part of learning, na? When you are going to learn something, be a
uh,
kid, and if you're committing any
mm,
mistake, then never feel
mm,
ashamed and never feel
mm.
shy while making mistake, because from our mistakes we learn a lot.
I have done my graduation. I understand every word, ma'am, but I am not a proper speaker. You are helping lots of people, ma'am. You are doing a great job. I
Thank
watched
you
your
so
videos
much.
lots. I love your channel, ma'am.
Thank you. In that way, you can learn English also, right? May I know your name?
My name is Vinoda, ma'am.
Okay.
Uh,
Hi, Vinoda. Good morning. Welcome to the session. How are
I
you?
can you hear my voice, ma'am?
Yes,
Clearly.
yes. Yes, yes. Your name is Vinoda, right?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. I'm very enthusiastic about joining your video conversation.
Okay, so welcome to the
Last
session.
week, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
Did you send? I sent last week message. Oh, you are so busy, so that's why I'm waiting.
Actually, I have time, but because of my cough problem, I cannot
Hmm.
connect with anybody. That's my basic
Hmm.
problem. I have cough problem,
So,
so whenever I have cough, I say I'm not free. I am busy. I am busy because of my
so, ma'am,
cough.
you are sending a message. Your classes in 6 p.m. So that time I'm not available, ma'am. I go to outside my. Every day I send my daughter in gymnastic classes evening
Okay,
time. So
okay,
that's why
okay.
I'm not available. I will send a message. I'm
It's
not available.
okay.
If
It's
you are
okay.
any since morning 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. That time I am available, ma'am. If you are any chance that time, so please give me to share any information, any
Okay,
chance.
okay, okay, okay. So, hi
Um,
Vinoda, how are you? Welcome to the session.
thank you, ma'am. I am fine. Thank you for giving chance to
So,
connect
as
with
we are
you.
connecting for the very first time, so
Yes, ma'am.
I want to know your
Mm,
introduction. Where are you from? What do you do? What is the profession?
mm,
What are your
mm,
educational qualifications? So, could you please introduce
mm.
yourself?
Okay, ma'am. My name is Vinoda. I am from Telangana. Currently, I have been living in Gurgaon city for past 3 years. I have done my graduation, and after completing my studies, I got married. I have two kids. As a
Okay.
homemaker, I take nowadays as a homemaker, I take care of my kids and my home with love and responsibility. And I love spending time with my kids and playing with them, teaching good habits, and if you are and also as well. Sorry,
It's
ma'am.
okay. It's okay.
Mm, and explaining, helping with their homework, and as well as encouraging them to learn new things. And if you talk about my hobbies, I love listening music and traveling. That's pretty about me.
Wow,
Please
that's
introduce your.
great. That's great that
Now,
you are
actually,
teaching.
hmm,
Uh-huh.
actually, this is my first video conversation. That's why I little bit nervous,
Oh, it's
but
okay.
I am
Feel free.
excited to
Feel
talk with
free.
you.
Uh-huh.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay,
Mm,
so I'm telling you that that's really very
mm,
great that you teach good value to your kids and you are
mm,
teaching good etiquettes, good manners, and that's really very important in today's life, you know.
mm.
We can see what
Yes, ma'am.
is running over social media, so it's very important to teach them good etiquettes so that they can
Yes,
use them in
ma'am.
their life. That's really
Yes,
great.
ma'am.
And as you told that you love traveling, so how many places have you visited till now?
Yes, ma'am. I have been last before 2 months. I have visited Chakrata in Uttarakhand.
Oh,
Chakrata,
I
Chakrata
don't
place in
know.
Uttarakhand state, ma'am. Yes,
Okay.
Delhi. As for Delhi, say 270 kilometer for
Okay.
Noida. I have
Mm-hmm.
traveled Rishikesh. I have been Nainital as well.
Mm-hmm.
Last year May month I have visited Kashmir. So many places I was. I love traveling, ma'am. If you
Wow,
are
that's
some,
great.
if you are any 2 3 days holidays are come, I go to outside and
Mm-hmm.
enjoying them the
What does your
nature.
husband do?
He is doing a job in government sector, electrical engineering, ma'am.
Oh, that's why you get time to
Ah,
go.
yes, ma'am. My hometown, my mother-in-law hometown in Telangana, ma'am. My native
Okay, you
place is
belong to that
Telangana.
place, right? So
Yes,
which type
and
of difference
also,
do you see in Telangana between in Telangana and the
yes, ma'am.
Gurugram?
I have lots. I have lot of missed my parents as well as Telangana in chicken biryani is famous. I miss
Okay.
it chicken biryani.
So don't you
Ma'am,
get
have you
here?
ever been
Don't you get here?
here? But here, ma'am, but that much taste is
Okay.
not in here.
Mm-hmm. By the way, I'm pure vegetarian.
Sorry, ma'am.
It's
Have you
okay.
ever visited Hyderabad, ma'am?
No.
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, okay.
I want to
I,
visit southern part of India. I really want to visit, but I don't know when,
uh,
and I don't know.
which place do you most like, ma'am?
I want to visit Kerala.
Yes, yes. I do. I never visited
Oh, you
that
also
place.
never visited?
I have visited Karnataka, Andhra. I not. I mostly most places visited in south north.
Okay.
I have been living in for past 5 years, ma'am.
Okay,
Delhi.
so in southern part
20.
of India, people
Yes.
like they
Mm.
know English. Since their
Mm.
childhood, they try to speak in English also.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
when did you start learning English? What was your experience with learning
So,
English?
ma'am, just before 3 months, I couldn't even speak for 1 minute. Also,
Okay.
just I scrolling YouTube videos. I followed your videos. Is these 3 months? I followed YouTube videos and automatically I speak with the co-learner.
Yes.
And nowadays, I am practicing audio calls in C app, ma'am, daily half an hour. If are my children are gone to school, after that I will practice. Nowadays I'm more watching
So how
videos
much do you have to
and
pay there on this on that application?
app is totally free. Half an hour every
Okay. Is
day
there
you
somebody who
speak.
guides you?
No, ma'am. Some normal. I'm a beginner. If you are any mistake, please correct them. So after
Okay.
that,
Yeah, that's a good part of learning, na? When you are going to learn something, be a
uh,
kid, and if you're committing any
mm,
mistake, then never
mm,
feel ashamed and never feel
mm,
shy while making mistake because from our mistakes we learn a lot. And until we
mm,
are not ready to make mistake, we are not going to learn anything. So we learn from
yes,
our mistakes, you know.
yes,
So
ma'am. Yes,
people
I definitely.
people don't want to speak English because they don't want to commit any mistakes. They don't want to make any mistake. So that's why they're afraid to make any mistake, and that's why they don't want to speak in front of anybody. So that's their
Yes,
biggest
ma'am.
fear, that they really don't want to make any mistakes
Earlier
in
days,
front
I
of
was very
anybody.
afraid, ma'am. I am not speak with any people. If I go any outside, I'm silently keep myself. So I
Okay.
make a mistake. People are laughing. That's why I am thinking, and I'm not speak with to any caller, any stranger.
Mm-hmm.
So that
Previously, you
and
were not.
nowadays,
Previously,
hmm,
you were not talking, you were not practicing, so you were
yes,
not aware
ma'am.
that you could speak or not. But now you
Mm,
tried and
mm.
you got to know that you can also speak English like
I
others.
watched lots of videos, ma'am. I watched your videos also last 3 months continuously. I
Mm-hmm.
watched your videos daily.
Thank you so
Automatically,
much.
I improve myself, and I am also learning. I am also improving. I have done my graduation. I understand every word, ma'am, but I am not a proper speaker with any colon. So that's why
Hmm.
I. Uh,
Because we did not give too much importance to learning English or speaking English. So that's why
uh,
we never get
ah,
to know that I can
mm,
speak or not, you know. So for that
mm.
reason, if you
So,
really want to.
my daughter is also studying third class, ma'am. She is here
Mhm.
in a Gurgaon city. So most of the people is speaking fluently. and my son is 3 years old. He's grown up. So I'm talking with my daughter some 1 hour. So I'm
Okay.
doing with their homework. That time I will speak only English.
Okay,
That's
that's
why I
great.
practice nowadays, ma'am.
Yes.
My daughter is speak fluently English, ma'am. She is speaking fluently. Ah.
Okay. That's really
And
nice.
otherwise, here speaking most of the people in Hindi. My mother tongue is Telugu, and as well, I learn Hindi. I'm
Okay.
speaking Hindi I'm speaking Hindi is very good.
So how did
Uh,
you learn
huh.
Hindi? How did you learn Hindi?
Ma'am, I have been living in for last 5 years. So automatically, when I go to
Okay.
outside any shopping mall and other people in my neighborhood,
Mm-hmm.
so they are speaking with me. So automatically, I learn English and I speak well, ma'am, Hindi. I can
That's really
understand every
great.
word and I can fluent with the other people. I don't
Hmm.
fear in to speak Hindi and people.
Yeah, so in that way you can learn English also, right?
Yes, ma'am,
In that
definitely I
same
will
way.
nowadays.
You have to do the
Mm.
same thing with English also,
Mm.
you know?
Earlier, I don't consider in that much, so I'm not. I'm busy with my kids, and I don't consider this much important. So
Mm-hmm.
automatically I was scroll video and lots of to listen podcasters and your videos.
Mm.
Automatically I learn and I improve myself. That's why, mom, nowadays.
Yeah, that's really great.
to
That's really great.
Mm.
Mm-hmm.
And what happened, ma'am? Whenever I attend my daughter's school for parent-teacher meeting, I'm not able to speak properly. So most of the other parents they speak in English fluently. So I found it is difficult to others talk. So
Hmm.
that can I decided I learn English properly and I can have proper conversation with the teacher also, and I can create an
Yes.
English environment in my home. So
So do
that's
you
why I
speak with
decided.
teachers now?
In last month, a little bit I practicing with the English
Yeah, that's
speech
good.
speak with some I
Hmm.
didn't come so some vocabulary I didn't come in mind. I will speak in that time Hindi.
So
After
that's
that
good
I
now.
will
That's good. That's good. You can do it.
mm, yes, ma'am.
Did they
No,
tell you anything? Did they tell you anything when you were using
no,
Hindi
ma'am.
in between English? No, na?
No, ma'am. No,
Nobody
no.
tells anything, but we think like
Mm.
people will say something about
So,
it.
I will
Nobody
speak
says
in English
something.
now. So, they see me. They are well educated. So, I am not speak with in English. So, they saying they are not speaking in
Comfortable.
English. That's why,
Yeah.
they watched like
Uh-huh.
other way, ma'am.
But
That's why I can decide it whatever I go, mistakes I do, don't
yeah.
care, and I speak
Yes,
English.
every learner should
Mm.
think like this. Then they can improve
Yes, ma'am.
themselves. Otherwise, if you
Yes.
always care about your mistakes, always you think
Mm.
about others, then you're not going to improve yourself. So, if you really
Yes,
want to
ma'am.
improve your communication skills in English or in any other language, you have to practice a lot and you do not have to care every time others and about your mistakes, about others. It's not your task, it's other
Yes,
task.
ma'am.
They will do whatever they
Nowadays,
have to do. You just have to practice every day.
mm, you are helping lots of people, ma'am. You are doing a great job. I
Thank
watched
you so
your videos
much.
last even.
Yeah.
And one incident was happening, ma'am, in my life. Last year March, my husband and I went to Switzerland.
Wow.
For 1 week trip, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Mm-hmm.
So that's why what happened, ma'am. One day I traveled from one stop to another stop for by metro. So that day I forgot my handbag in the train. So
Mm-hmm.
after that we went to complain the inquiry officer. After that, complaining them. After that, they asking the questions me. So that time I was fumbling. I am not speak properly with them.
Mm-hmm.
So I am silencing my myself. So other after that my husband came and he told them the problem. and they told me fill the details your properly. After 1 week, your bag will send in India. So
Okay.
that day, I feel
So,
myself
did you
awkward,
get your
ma'am.
bag? Did you get your bag?
Ah, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Oh, that's really
Mm.
nice.
I fill proper details. So they after 1 week, 10 days, they will send my address in bag, ma'am.
Okay.
So the day they asking my question, but I was fumbling. I'm not replying properly. I was
It
scared
happens
with
initially.
them.
It happens
So
initially.
that whenever you go outside other country, you must very important, ma'am, to speak in English.
Mhm.
So that day I'm decided I'm little bit without fear. I'm conversation with any other people. That's why I learned, ma'am.
Yeah, that's really
And
great.
what happened, ma'am? In my husband doing in government sector job, every 4 5 years he transferred a different state, and it
Mhm.
is difficult to me to learn so many regional language in
So it's
India.
better to
If
learn
I
English.
learn, yes, ma'am. If I learn English, so
Why don't you
I
learn
would.
every language of India? Why don't you learn?
Uh, so if I learn English, I can connect with people normal. So
Mhm.
that's why I decided wherever I go to any states, I can speak with proper and I can express my self without fear. That's why I
Mm.
decided definitely I learn English.
Yeah, you are
So
learning. You
ma'am,
are improving a
last
lot.
2 months, 2 months or 3 months, I followed continuously nowadays. Just watching videos and I'm studying story books, kids, basic.
Okay.
Yes,
Mm-hmm.
ma'am.
So,
Nowadays,
which
I'm
thing do you do to improve yourself? How did you learn English?
mostly I don't have that much time, ma'am. My kids are came at 2 p.m. So we are coming home now. After that, I don't much my spending my time myself. So if you are at 10 to 2, these 3 hours I
Okay.
spending by myself 1 2 hours.
Mm-hmm.
Mostly I watched videos 1 1.5 hour. After that, I speaking with ChatGPT. Mostly nowadays I am
Wow,
using most of the ChatGPT, ma'am. Whenever I
that's
doubt,
great.
I speak wrongly and ChatGPT with correct proper sentence. So I proper sentence give me. I read more times and sometimes
Okay.
I read. And after that, half an hour, 2 3 pages I read story books.
Wow.
That's right, ma'am. And I practice audio calls only half an hour, ma'am.
Yeah, that's
Every
all
day,
are important.
Monday
Everything is
to Friday.
important in order to speak English fluently. You
Yes,
did a
ma'am.
very
I
great
practice.
job and keep doing it
Mm,
to get
yes,
more
ma'am.
positive result in your communication
Mm,
skills and so that you can
mm.
speak English like others fluently and
Yes, ma'am.
confidently without stucking
Mm,
anywhere. So keep doing it
mm.
every day.
Yes, ma'am. In first day, I call to audio calls. I am thinking I'm not able to speak with properly.
Mm-hmm.
I'm more afraid, ma'am. I'm not calling.
Okay.
First, I calling and cut it. After that, after
It's
that
happen.
again calling one person and continuously talking 20 minutes, ma'am. First day.
Mm-hmm.
Mm.
That's really good. That's really good. Until or unless we come out from our comfort zone, we can't
Mm.
see any result or anything, any improvement. So we really need to
Mm.
come out from our comfortable zone to get result within few days or within few months. So it's really very
Mm.
important. And you are trying to do so many things in order to get fluency, and very soon you are going to achieve that. That's really great. There are so many learners, they should learn from you that what they should do in order to speak English fluently. There is no need to think about always grammar, mistakes, and others. There is no need to think
Uh-huh.
about others.
Yes, ma'am.
Just do practice every day
The
so that you
basic
can.
grammar I read it, ma'am. Nowadays, I buy a grammar book. Basic grammar also I read it, ma'am.
Yeah,
Sometimes sentences
that's good.
is and
So
preposition
when you
where
learned
I took.
English, or when you learned Hindi at that time also, did you learn grammar?
No,
No?
I don't learn any
No. So there
Hindi
is no need
grammar.
to learn
Yes,
grammar every
ma'am.
time. So there is no need
Mm.
to learn grammar
Mm.
every time. You can learn any of the languages without learning grammar. Without learning
Yes,
grammar, you can speak any language. So that's
Mm.
not compulsory that you have to learn grammar first. No, there is
Mm.
no such rule in English or in any other language.
Mm. After I got married and shifted to my husband was posting in Banaras, ma'am,
Okay.
Varanasi.
Mm-hmm.
So that time I was not speaking Hindi with any people. So my husband says I went to go outside any shopping mall, any hospital. So he says that you told me in Hindi whatever you mind. If you are any mistake, I speak with them. So my
Okay.
husband supported me, ma'am.
And
You
that's really
that
nice.
so my husband and I go to outside. So he's yourself keep silently. So you speak with Hindi. I don't speak with any people. I know Hindi.
Okay.
So he supported me a lot. Whenever I
Hmm.
go to outside any shopping mall, any sabzi market, so I speak in Hindi.
Okay.
Little bit practicing. After that,
Yeah.
after 6 months, around 6 months, I will improve my Hindi as well.
That's really nice. That's
That's
really
ma'am.
nice. Do
Hmm.
all these things in English also, you know?
Ma'am, what happened, ma'am? Here, surrounding people, they most of the speak in Hindi, ma'am. Sometimes
Mm-hmm.
go to shopping mall, any outside
Mm-hmm.
restaurant.
In India,
Hmm.
90% people, I think, so they speak Hindi.
Hmm.
So that's why we do
So,
not get English environment easily. We have to create that environment for ourselves
hmm.
willingly, you know?
So that's why nowadays I'm mostly 1 2 hours listening English conversation.
Mm-hmm.
You listening English conversation automatically your English feeded in your
Yes,
mind.
yes, yes, yes. Hmm.
That's why I most of
Consuming
the
English
I free.
content is really very important because when we listen a lot, our mind accepts that and keep
Yes,
it
ma'am.
in itself,
Mm,
and then we can
mm.
use while speaking, while communicating with someone.
Yes,
So it's
ma'am.
really important.
Mm,
Listening also plays a very important role in order to speak any language, in order to learn any language. So try to
mm,
listen a lot, how much you can do in a day, so that you can get more knowledge, you can consume more knowledge and more vocabulary, more sentences, and then you can use it, right? So
mm.
try to do it every day.
Yes, ma'am. And if you are if you are
Exactly.
suggested me, ma'am, any channel, especially to learn, improve my communication skills.
There are so many channels. You can watch any of like in which you are
Mm,
interested. Try to watch anything over social
mm,
media and try to listen a lot. There are so many
mm.
channels you can listen
Yes, ma'am.
and try to consume English a lot in a day so that you can keep
Mm.
it in your mind. And
Ma'am,
while speaking, you can use all your knowledge.
I'm not asking, ma'am. Tell me about yourself.
Huh?
That's I forgot. I excited to be talking with you.
It's
Ma'am, please
okay.
introduce yourself, ma'am.
As you know, my name is Mansi Gola. I'm from
Yes.
Delhi. I'm a homemaker. Simultaneously, I'm a teacher too. That's all.
Mm. Ma'am, your channel name is Homemaker ka
Housewife
Housewife
English
Corner.
Corner.
Why do you choose only this name, ma'am? So most of the people they're writing their names only.
Yeah, because
Because any
after getting married and after becoming a mom of two kids, and it was very difficult to do something in my life, so I
uh,
stopped my
that's
career.
my
I was
also.
not doing anything, so I got irritated with this name, homemaker housewife. So I thought of using this name on my channel. So
Yes.
that's why I named my channel, Facebook also and YouTube also, Housewife English Corner, and to
Hmm.
motivate others
First day I
also.
watched your channel, ma'am. I was expect a little bit.
Okay.
I love your channel, ma'am.
Thank
I
you so
subscribed
much.
also your channel, ma'am. So I followed last 3 months, ma'am.
Thank you so
So,
much. Thank you so much.
hmm. So do you have
Do you have
how many how many friends do you have, ma'am, nowadays?
nowadays means online,
Uh,
offline?
Offline, ma'am.
Offline, there
How do
are
you
many.
spend the weekend times, ma'am?
I do not go outside with them because I love my family. I love my own company. So I don't
Uh-huh.
spend lots of time with my friends. Yeah, occasionally we talk to each other, but
Mhm.
not on the regular basis. Seriously.
Uh, how is
Yeah.
your kids, ma'am?
Yeah, they all are good.
Ma'am, how do you manage without screening kids for especially during in holidays, ma'am? If you are
I
told me any
actually,
tips.
actually, I broke my remote, my TV remote.
Uh,
So
uh-huh.
willingly I did that, and we do not have TV remote now. And
Mm,
whenever they want to watch TV, they have to connect through our phone. So
mm,
whatever they are watching, we can see whatever they are watching on TV. So we can easily
mm,
see and we can keep eyes on them that what they are doing
uh-huh.
on TV. So in this way, I keep eyes on them.
We go to any outdoor play
Yes, they
games,
go.
ma'am.
Yes,
Mm,
yes, they go.
mm.
And it's really very
So
important.
how they are bonding, ma'am? They are loving each other, ma'am. How they are staying at home? They are fighting or any?
Obviously, yeah, it's very common. They fight with each
Two
other
boys is
whole
very
day.
difficult
Yeah,
every.
it's very difficult. Seriously. Do you
Yes,
also have two
ma'am.
boys?
No, ma'am. My daughter is 8 years old. My son is
Okay.
3 years old. So also they will fight
They also keep
toys.
fighting.
Any? She is not giving any with other
Same
toys.
here. Same here.
Them.
We also used to do
Mm.
the same when we were kids, right?
I allowed only 2 hours screening time. After that, we go to down in park and sometimes we go to
Same here. They
outside
also go with
outdoor
their daddy. They also go
playing
with their
games.
daddy and they spend
Mm.
almost 1 hour. But rainy
Mm.
season, I just avoid. I don't
Mm.
allow them
Yes,
to
ma'am.
go out because of so many insects in the park. So
Mm.
I do not allow in rainy season. Otherwise, they go every day.
Mm. And sometimes they painting. They're doing painting,
Yeah,
ma'am. Painting.
not on
Sometimes they are.
not on painting book. They paint
Mm.
over like walls, on gates,
Yes, ma'am.
anywhere. Like
I don't
anywhere, they
allow
paint
walls, ma'am.
anywhere.
I have stayed in rented house, so that's
Yeah.
why I not allowed in wall.
I can't
I am
show my
told.
walls you. I can't show you my
Mm,
walls. What is the condition of my walls? Because
yes, ma'am.
in front of my eyes, I'm looking at the wall, and that is totally blue.
Uh,
Mhm.
if there are any lines are written, I clean it, ma'am. Vinegar. Use
How
it.
much?
Vinegar.
How much?
1 cup of vinegar
Means
and
how many times should I do it?
yes, ma'am. But I told him my son is not doing not writing in wall,
Now,
ma'am.
my both of my
Uh-huh.
sons, they also stopped doing it, but
Mm,
still I have
mm,
marks on walls, so we can't remove it
yes, ma'am. It
easily.
is difficult
There
to
are
every
so many
woman.
marks on walls, on every wall. Like I covered
Yes,
it with
ma'am.
this wallpaper. Otherwise, you can still those marks are is still visible. So
Mm,
people used to comment me, ma'am, paste some wallpaper on your walls. Your walls are very dirty. So I used to tell
mm.
them, what should I do? Yeah, they are not in my control. They do this. If I'm not at home, they love to do all these things. I can see
So if
the
you are
memories of.
not in home, who is responsible there? Who is take care of them, ma'am?
So sometimes we go for 10 minutes and for 15 minutes. They both
Mhm.
are at home. They can manage. Like they
How
watch
old are
TV
you,
at that
ma'am?
time. My elder son
Uh-huh.
is 10 years old and my younger son is, we will celebrate his 6th birthday on 28th of August. He will turn 6 on 28th of
Mhm.
August.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
Your favorite food, what, ma'am?
My favorite food, every home cooked food I can have. Vegetarian
Uh-huh.
food. Yes. Everything I can
Mm-hmm.
have.
Okay. And do you
Okay.
prefer online shopping and store, ma'am?
Most of that, I love to go for offline shopping, but when I don't have time and if
Mm-hmm.
something interests me, so I just do online shopping.
Mm-hmm. So
Yeah.
online shopping sometimes if you are good, sometimes you are not fitting.
Yes,
So that issues
yeah.
are. Mm.
Hmm.
So I prefer mostly outside store when I go to shopping mall and wear it and it is
But
fit
when you
or
don't
me.
have time, so you prefer online shopping. So at that time, we don't
Yes,
have any
ma'am.
option. We
I
just love to
prefer
do that.
mostly any cosmetic
Mm-hmm.
items and book, ma'am. Books.
Okay. That's
Yes,
really
ma'am.
great.
Mostly.
Okay,
Good.
Vinoda, it was really
Okay,
nice
ma'am.
session with you. We will reconnect again very soon. Bye bye.
Okay.
Take care.
Thank,
I really enjoyed your talk. I really enjoyed this session because you're talking a lot and I was listening. That's really nice.
thank you. Thank you for giving this opportunity, ma'am. It was a productive day for me. Thank
Bye
you,
bye.
ma'am.
Take care. Have a
Bye
good
bye.
day. Bye
Okay,
bye.
ma'am.